We're so happy to, Cameron, Rod,
my wife,
come
Tina.
on, you're all part of it.
Yeah. So this vehicle happened to be owned by Lance Corporal Thomas Rivers. He was a Marine who was killed in Afghanistan, and we proudly carry his name as in memory at VFW Post 12185. And when we took on SOS with Mark Davis from Miss Rivers to help carry on what she started, she donated this vehicle as a resource. And as you can see, so it can be used as an advertising piece, a marketing piece, a resource to pick up packages, goods, all of that. And here we are. It took a long time to get this in SOS's name and use AlphaGraphics. This is incredible. You guys really stepped up. Thank you so much. This is Miss Rivers is what I'm thinking of when she sees this. So.
Well, you can't see the guy behind the camera, but we're very blessed to have Stanley, our designer, and guy behind the camera, and Cameron, a newer addition to our team that's really allowed us to do some great things and be able to bless.
We took the measurements.
Other
the measurements
people,
came out right.
Great job putting the design together, and great job installing, and then I think Rod acted as his faithful sidekick. We also want to give a shout out to Matthew at Goodyear Gallery Attire, who let us use the space to get us out of the weather so we could do it until we get a space. So honored to be able to do this for you guys. So
thank you so much.
Enjoy it.
Thank you so much.
It's awesome. Thank you guys.